Alright, I promised I would. I wanted to make a quick video of the green truck now. This is not looking its best because it's got some snow and ice on it, but so there it is. It was a long, messed up story that I'll probably go into in another video, but it was done by multiple people. One guy doing the body work, and it just really messed up. But all that matters for this is it is painted back in the original green. New tires, all four. The bottom is like a chip guard thing, which I'll get into later. The pinstripe was a surprise. We went to pick it up and it was there. Nobody talked about it, but it wound up being on there, so whatever. The bumper is all sprayed in like a bed liner material, so that's the same front bumper. And then this was the red bed. And then I put a new Takeoff 2008 and up style bumper on it, and put that plastic bed liner back in. It's got a new passenger fender and a used door. And then the roof light, the original one was screwed down to the roof and it was starting to rust and peel up. It was really flaky. So that's a magnetic one that I had left over from when we sold the 05 diesel. So I haven't had a chance to wire that up yet. But nothing big inside. So yeah, I'm not going to get into the crappy parts of it, but it looks good from far. So it has not plowed this year. We've just only used the diesel since I haven't been able to work, but wanted to make a quick video showing you guys what it looks like now, and hopefully I can get it cleaned up and waxed once it warms up later this year. So anyways, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.